Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 15.7.5 is out now. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery running issue in iOS 15.7.5. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on privacy and tap location services and turn off the location services to save the battery life. After that, tap on location alerts and disable show map in location alerts. Then go back to settings again and tap on screen time and turn off screen time if it's turned on. Then we have to go back to settings, tap on battery and enable low power mode to save the battery life in iOS 15.7.5. Here we have to check one more thing. If iPhone battery health shows service, then you need to be replace the iPhone battery immediately. Now we have to launch settings again and tap on Wi-Fi and turn off the Wi-Fi if you are not using the internet. Same we have to do with the mobile or cellular data, and also disconnect the Bluetooth if any device is not connected. After that we have to go to settings and notification and disable the notification, unnecessary notification, or you get a lot of notification from any app. Disable the notification for that app. Then go back to settings and launch journal. Here we have to tap on background app refresh, tap again and turn off background app refresh to save the battery life in iOS 15.7.5. These are the simple tips and trick to save the battery life in iOS 15.7.5. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.